In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily buy the cryptocurrency XRP. I will show you step by step how to exchange money from your bank account into XRP. We do all this with what I think is the best platform to trade cryptocurrencies, and that is Binance. Binance is the world's largest exchange, and you can deposit fiat and trade all relevant cryptocurrencies. The fees are very low at 0.1%, and if you use the link from the video description, you will get another 10% discount on all trading fees, so you will end up with only 0.09% fees. To create an account, simply enter your details here and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and log in for the first time, the page will look like this. The first step, we need to verify our account. If you want to buy cryptocurrencies with fiat money, for example euros, dollars and so on, you need to complete this verification. To do this, we click on the icon right here on the top corner and then go to identification. On this page, we now have to make sure that our personal details right here are verified like here on the right side. You should have this yellow button with verified like here below, and you just have to click on it and then simply upload a picture of yourself and your ID to complete this verification. This is called KYC, Know Your Customer, and is simply there to prevent money laundering. Okay, once you're done with that, now there are two options to buy cryptocurrencies. The easiest way to buy crypto is by using a credit card. If you plan to do that, you can skip the next step and fast forward to the purchase. In the second option, we first have to deposit our fiat money through a bank transfer and then make the purchase. Depending on whether you have a credit card and which option you prefer, you can decide which one to choose. To deposit fiat money into our Binance account, we go to Wallet on the top right here and then go to Fiat and Spot Wallet. Here we can see all of our balances that we have in our Binance account. Up here we can see our fiat balances, and down here we can see all of our crypto balances. To deposit money, we click on Deposit right here at the top. Then we need to make sure that fiat is selected right here, and then we can choose whichever currency we want to deposit. Depending on where you live, you can select your currency right here, and then you can select your payment method right down here. In the US, for example, this would be a transfer via the SWIFT system, and if you live in the European Union, for example, this would be a bank transfer through the SEPA system. To do this, simply enter the amount you want to deposit right here on the right, and then you hit continue. Then you'll find all the relevant information you need for the bank transfer. Very important, don't forget to enter your reference code in the bank transfer, which will be shown right here, so the transfer will be assigned to your account. Once you've made the transfer, you will have to wait 1 to 2 days for it to arrive. When the money has arrived, we can easily check this by clicking on Wallet again, and then Fiat and Spot. Then we can see if the money has been credited to our currency account right here. If this has happened, we can now buy the cryptocurrency in our last step. First, I'll show you the easiest option, which is to buy XRP by using our credit card. To do that, we simply go to Buy Crypto right here on top and then click on Credit/Debit Card. Then we'll end up on this page where we can select the coin we want to buy right here on the right side. So I'll click on that and type in XRP and select the coin. Then we can also see the price chart right here on the left side, and right here on the right, we can choose the currency we want to pay with. In my case would be euro, but you could use the US dollar or any other currency. Then I'll type in the amount I want to buy. Let's say, for example, I want to buy 500 euros, and that will give me around 1000 XRP. Then I can see I can use my Visa or MasterCard, and then I click on Buy XRP. I'll enter my card details and confirm the purchase, and it's all done. If you want to use the second option and you have deposited money through a bank transfer to your Binance account, you simply click on Buy Crypto again and then go to Cash Balance. Page looks pretty similar. We can see the price chart again and can select our coin right here. So I'll just type in XRP and select it once again. Oops, XRP. And then we can select our currency that we have deposited money in. So yeah, in my case would be euro because I've deposited euro, and I can also see down here my cash balance, which would be in this case 400 euros. Then I can type in the amount I want to buy, let's say 400 euros, and then I click on buy XRP. Then I get to this confirmation page where I can see exactly how much XRP I'm getting, in this case 841 XRP, at what price I'm buying, how much fees I'll have to pay, in this case would be 40 cents, which is extremely low, and how much I'm investing in total. Then I click on confirm and the purchase is done. That's it for this video. Don't forget to register on Binance using the link from the video description to save the 10% on fees. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.